She's enjoying a midday snack because she deserves it. Here's a shot of her house. Let's have a look inside her house. Here we get to see inside Figueroa's house. Not many people have been in here because they can't fit. But this is what she's got. We've got a separate room under here. A little spot under there for her. Now she's got a circular cat bed here. Now this has a heating pad installed underneath it. The heating pad is on a timer, so we don't waste too much energy, but she does like that. Then here's another little tussle form for her that she can crawl through and play around with. I'm going to go out. And for easy access, we've got the door right here. And this leads out to the back. So she has her own private entrance, which is pretty cool for a cat. Most cats don't have their own private entrances, much less a specialty palace built for them. And here's the queen of the day. Ooh, it's called not dropping your phone. Whoops, which way is it? Upside down? Oh, there we are. There's a little wiglet having a little bit of a snack. Right? And I'll drop the accent because it's just irritating. So, there we are. Okay?